For our sponge cake today, we start by heating 77 grams of vegetable oil. Then to it, we sift in 90 grams of cake flour. Once that's done, we stir until a smooth consistency. Then we can add 60 grams of fresh milk. Now here's where you can add vanilla extract if you choose to. And we mix everything. And we add to it 6 egg yolks. Now this mixture will stir until a smooth consistency. Make sure there's no more lumps in the mixture. Then we set that aside and we can work on our egg whites. We can add 1 gram of salt to 6 egg whites. Then with this, we blend until bubbles form. That usually takes about 2 minutes. Then we can add 73 grams of caster sugar slowly into this mixture. So we slowly mix the sugar in, and we're looking for fine bubbles until the egg white becomes glossy and shiny on the surface, and it holds itself into a stiff peak. Once that consistency is achieved, we can stop. It usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes of blending. Then we fold in 1/3 of the egg white into our egg yolk. Then we mix it in slowly. Now once it's mixed well, we can pour the egg yolk back into our remaining egg whites. Now this step becomes very crucial because we don't want to overfold the egg whites into our egg yolks, or else it will not rise properly and give you that spongy, fluffy cake. So we mix it until it's even. Then we get our 9-inch cake pan. We pour our batter in and we tap out all the small bubbles on the surface. Now once that's done, we can bake it for 60 minutes in a water bath at 150 degrees Celsius. Now once it's done, we let cool for about 5 minutes. Then we can peel off our paper and look at this beautiful cake. Then we can sprinkle the top with some powdered sugar and cut to enjoy. Nice and spongy and fluffy. Yes, perfectly done on the inside. Enjoy. Bon appetit. If you like what you see today, make sure you remember to subscribe and check out our other playlists. Thank you. Until next time. Bye now.